Hey, it's Bright, and today we're gonna be making slime. This is
Sydney.
We're gonna make a red and green one. So, first we're gonna put in the glue. You wanna do that, or do you want me to?
The whole thing?
Yes. Okay, so I guess I'll just like, I guess I start that and then,
Why not?
like I start it and then pour it in. But like, don't get it on that white thing. As we do this, I'll pour in a little bit of activator. So we're adding activator in tiny bit by tiny bit. Don't think so.
Gosh, we're gonna add in too much into the old rock hard.
I'm gonna add some shaving cream in. This will make it fluffy.
Should we stop it and put our finger in it?
I guess. I mean, my hand's dirty already, so.
No, it's not slime yet.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, so we need a lot more activator. Cause okay, so it said like one. Oh my god, not. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's gonna activate one spot. Put it down and turn it on. Click the thing out. Click it.
Oh, it's working. See it?
Is it?
Yeah, it's working. Should we use our hands to mix it? Wait, don't use that whole thing just in case you somehow get. Yeah, add it. Oh no, it's not doing anything for me.
Detergent?
Yeah, let's try it.
Oh my god.
We're gonna use the whole thing of your detergent.
Imagine. Okay, a little bit too much.
I think you.
I didn't want to.
We have to. Here, let's do it. Use our hands now. I know it's gonna be really sticky.
God. Oh my god. Okay, so I think I can pour it out. Oh my god.
We can use our hands to
Oh
like
my
scrape
god.
it.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Disgusting.
Okay. You might want to roll up your sleeves before you get your hands in there. Wait, let me like this.
This is a fail.
This is cold. Do you not understand what hot water is? Oh my gosh, Brandon, this is cold water. Feel it. It's cold. There's nothing hot about
We should have just kept mixing it in the thing.
in the bowl. Yeah. Do you want to put it? You want to lift it together back up in there? You know what?
Oh my god. Okay, so
Let me go find hot water. No, what?
it'll make it more like thin.
I love how I said hot water. And you're like, so you come back to like refrigerated water.
I didn't mean to, okay? Oh.
It's like
I'm
up,
trying to redo the
it's
camera.
up in it, Brayden. You need to turn it off. Three.
Oh my god!
Lift it
Oh
up.
my god!
Okay,
Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey, give
hot
me. Wait. Give me this. I'm gonna use this.
To
I'm
mix
gonna
it
use
instead?
this. Yeah.
Yeah, good
Because
idea.
it'll like chop it, I think. We're hoping for the best here now.
Okay, I've got hot water. Incoming.
Ooh. Oh, that is hot water.
I
Okay.
told you. That's why I was like, ow, it's hot water.
Okay, but like, wait. Don't
Okay. Let me try and wipe off.
add any more stuff. Wait, should we?
Should
Wait,
we mix it with our hands?
or mix like only a little bit at
Yeah,
a
like,
time
take
because
half of
it's
it
too
out.
much. Yeah. Okay, I think those are bubbles. I think maybe if we like pop the bubbles.
And this isn't mixing anything at all. It's just all stuck to this.
Also, this is sometimes how like slime feels. I meant fluffy slime.
Yeah, look at
As
this.
in, like, the one with
Brayden,
the
it's not
chicken.
mixing anything.
No, it's in the thing. It's in the thing. I
know,
can't stop it.
I know. I was telling you. Look at this. It's just getting up there, and you're like, so this is sometimes how slime feels. I mean, fluffy slime.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh.
More water in there.
Yeah, just add like all of it.
Rather it be too liquidy
Oh
than.
my god. Oh my god.
We are so stupid. Wait, should we take this one out and then put this one in and add more water to this one? Okay. I can't get it off my hand.
I can't get it off. Blender. Okay.
Oh,
When it
What
doesn't. So.
oh. Oh my god. Now it's my phone. Oh my Oh my god. Brayden, it's all over your hands.
Oh.
What, it was leaking
What?
in here?
I guess. This was opened. It's everywhere.
I'm glad I didn't. Brayden, your teeth are gonna be. Oh, mine was. Let me see if your teeth
It doesn't taste bad.
Can I see if your teeth are green? Oh, no. Oh, a little bit. Just a tad.
Okay, I go to work tomorrow. I'm the Grinch. Okay.
Are you gonna add
So
all of the
sticky,
thing of
that's-
the green in yours?
What?
Are you gonna add the whole thing of green? in
Yeah, but I
yours?
think it's making it more sticky.
I don't think you can get that out, Brayden.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry to break it to you, but wait, do you have a sink in your laundry room?
Yeah.
Really?
Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to see more slime like this, just comment below, like, share, subscribe, ding the little bell if you want to get notifications every time I post, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.